In Chapter 6 of The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini, the narrative delves deeply into the cultural significance and personal connections tethered to the tradition of kite fighting in Afghanistan, especially as experienced through the eyes of the young protagonist, Amir. The chapter unfolds over 4 distinct yet interconnected sections, each layering more texture into the complex tapestry of Amir's life, his relationships, and the socio-political undercurrents of the Afghan society of his youth. The chapter opens with an evocation of the icy grip of winter on Kabul, a time when the city takes on a dormant life of its own, pausing activities like school, but igniting the skies with the vibrant spectacle of kite fighting. Amir shares his passion and connection to kite fighting, not merely as a sport, but as a rare bridge to his distant father, Baba. Kite fighting, with its beauty and brutality, kites dancing and dueling in the sky, their glass-coated strings slashing through competitors, becomes a metaphor for the complexities of life and relationships Amir navigates. The narrative moves to detail the mechanics and honor of kite fighting and running, highlighting the partnership between Amir and Hassan. Despite their social divide, Amir being a Pashtun and Hassan a Hazara, their bond shines brightest in these moments of shared pursuit. Baba's equal treatment of the boys with the gift of identical kites symbolizes a desired but unattainable equality. Hassan, as Amir's loyal kite runner, embodies both unwavering devotion and a nuanced challenge to their entangled social roles, especially when Amir tests this loyalty with a thought experiment that Hassan meets with stoic dignity. The emotional architecture of the chapter builds with Amir reliving the anticipatory pulse of the winter of 1975, marking both the climax of his kite-fighting aspirations and the precipice of a life-altering event. Baba's faith in Amir's potential victory stirs a complex stew of ambition, fear, and a desperate craving for paternal approval within Amir. This yearning blends with the broader socio-political reflections, making brief but poignant appearances through dialogue and inner monologue, casting a shadow of the adult world's weight on these young shoulders. The chapter, through its vivid scenes and interactions, stitches a rich narrative of friendship, rivalry, cultural identity, and the erosive and constructive forces of societal expectations. The kite, a symbol of freedom, ambition, and the fragility of human connections, looms large over the events and inner transformations unfolding. Through the dynamics of Amir and Hassan's relationship, the chapter probes themes of loyalty, integrity, and the often painful journey towards self-awareness and redemption. Integral to the chapter is the exploration of the societal stratification within Afghanistan, reflected in the boys' friendship and the broader commentary on Afghan versus Iranian geopolitical perceptions. Baba's musings on truth, power, and identity resonate beyond the personal into the chords of national consciousness, framing the narrative against a backdrop of evolving historical tension. In sum, Chapter 6 serves as a crucial narrative juncture in The Kite Runner, where kite fighting emerges not just as a child's play, but as a complex allegory for the battles fought within and beyond Amir's heart. It encapsulates a moment of innocence on the brink of shattering, presaging the deeper themes of guilt, redemption, and the elusive nature of truth that anchor the novel's journey. And as always, if you liked this video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below.